In this topic, we will learn about marine pollution and types of marine pollutants. What is marine pollution? Marine pollution is any substance or energy that humans put in the ocean which causes harm to living things. Marine pollution is the cause of human action. Marine pollution occurs when harmful or potentially harmful effects result from the entry into the ocean of chemical particles, industrial, agricultural, and residential waste, noise, or the spread of invasive organisms. So, types of marine pollutants is oil pollution, toxic, sewage, eutrophication, radioactive waste, and marine litter. So, first marine pollutants is oil pollution. And oil spill is the release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the environment, especially marine areas such as ocean, river. This oil pollution due to human activity. Sources of marine oil pollution such as tank compression, tanker accidents, industrial waste, urban runoff, and offshore oil rigs. Next marine pollutants is radioactive waste. Radioactive waste is waste that contain radioactive material, and then radioactive waste are byproduct of nuclear power generation and other application of nuclear and medicine. In 1946 to 1993, 13 countries used ocean disposal or ocean dumping as a method to dispose of radioactive waste.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about marine litter. Marine litter is defined as any persistent, manufactured or processed solid material discarded, disposed of or abandoned in the marine and coastal environment. For your information, plastic does not biodegrade, instead it photodegrades with sunlight and breaking down into the smaller pieces. Smaller pieces is called as a microplastic. Microplastic are small plastic particles in the environment. The U.S. National Oceanic classifies the size of microplastic is less than 5 mm in diameter. Microplastic have two types, which one is first primary microplastic and second is secondary microplastic. The primary microplastic is manufactured and are a direct result of human material and product use. When secondary microplastic is about microplastic plastic fragments derived from the breakdown of larger plastic debris. Next, I'm going to talk about the source of litter pollution. It comes from three sources. The first one is disaster, the second one is human activities on land, and the lastly is human activities on board. Okay, so from the disaster, it comes from tsunami, flood, and hurricane. And from human activities on land, it comes from recreational and food industries. Okay, so for the human activities on board, it comes from the kitchen waste, discarded or accidentally lost fishing nets and floats. Okay, so for the last is about the environmental effect of microplastic. Okay, so the first one is, as the plastic degrade and become brighter, they leach out monomers like BPA, which can be absorbed by marine life. And then microplastic provide abundant surface for small organisms to attach to it. And then the last is the hydrophobic nature of organic pollutants expose fish to the toxic chemicals. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Sewage is a water-carried waste in a solution or suspension that is intended to be removed from a community. It also a significant source of marine pollution and can have harmful effects on marine ecosystem and also human health. When sewage is poorly treated, it will release into the ocean and introduce a variety of pollutants into the marine environment. In addition, more than 99% water is characterized by volume or rate of flow, physical conditions, chemical constituents, and also bacteriological organisms. There are 5 classes of sewage pollution, which are sanitary, such as washing water, food preparation waste, laundry waste, and other waste products of normal living. Commercial, they could carry waste from a store and serving establishment serving the immediate community. Industrial, waste that result from an industrial process or the product or manufacture of goods. Agriculture, wastewater from any agricultural activity. Lastly, surface runoff, storm flow or overland flow.
And for my part, I will explain toxic pollution. It occurs when synthetic chemicals are discharged or natural chemicals accumulate to toxic level environments. It also causing reduce in wildlife numbers and degrading ecosystem functions and threatening humans' life. Sources of marine toxic pollution is industries and sewage treatment plants discharge, air emission from manufacturing, toxic pesticide, household cleaning and disinfectant products, oil drilling and transport, and also mining and maritime operation. These issues is leading to eutrophication. Eutrophication refers to natural or artificial addition of nutrient to the bodies of water and to the effects of the added nutrient. These effects are undesirable and may be considered a form of pollution as it will cause lack of oxygen for aquatic organisms.